Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Twilio for SMS in no-code apps step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and go to the Twilio website. In the top right corner, click on the Sign Up button. Fill out the sign up form with your name, email address, and a secure password. Click on the Get Started button to create your account. You will receive a verification email from Twilio. Check your inbox and click the link in the email to verify your account. After verification, return to the Twilio website and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Twilio console. In the console, locate the Get a Number button and click on it. Choose the SMS-enabled phone number you would like to purchase. Select your country from the drop-down menu to filter available numbers. Browse the available phone numbers and pick one that suits your needs. Click on the Buy button next to your selected number. Review the pricing and terms, then confirm your purchase. Now, navigate back to the Twilio console homepage. Look for the messaging section on the left sidebar and click on it. In the messaging section, select Settings from the drop-down menu. Here, note down your account ID and auth token. These credentials are crucial for integrating Twilio with your no-code app. Now, open your no-code app platform where you want to integrate SMS. Find the Integrations or API section of the platform. Look for Twilio in the list of available services. Click on Twilio and enter your account ID and auth token. Follow any additional instructions provided by your no-code app. Once successfully connected, proceed to create an SMS workflow within your app. Define the triggers and actions for sending SMS messages based on your app's requirements. Test the integration by sending a test message to ensure it works correctly. Monitor your Twilio console to check for SMS delivery status and usage statistics. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.